In this video, I will show you how to upload photos to Google Drive from iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, first make sure that you have downloaded the Google Drive app from the App Store. Then what you need to do is go ahead and open up the Photos app on your iPhone. From here, just go ahead and go into your photos and just go ahead and select the photos that you want to upload by pressing select in the top right hand corner, then selecting the photos you want to upload. So I've currently selected 3 different photos here. Once that's done, you're going to see an icon in the bottom left hand corner, which is a picture of a square with like an arrow. Go ahead and press onto this. Then what you need to do is come and look in the second row, and if you can't see Google Drive here, just go across all the way to the right, and what you want to do is click onto the more box with the 3 dots just here. From here you should now find your Google Drive app, so you can see that's just here. Go ahead and press onto this. And as you can see, we've got our 3 photos ready to upload. So at the bottom, you can choose the Google Drive account you want to upload to. You can also choose your folder that you want to upload to. Once that's done, just come up and press the blue upload text in the top right hand corner, just like so. As you can see, we're now uploading the photos to Google Drive. So that is how to upload photos to Google Drive from iPhone. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.